the greatness of a culture can be found in its festivals. And such is the greatness of our country that it imbibes every culture through its wondrous festivals. With this delightful quote in mind, I, Fenisha, welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Today is 17th of August 2021 અને ગુજરાતી કેલેન્ડર પ્રમાણે આજે શ્રાવણ સુદ દસમ છે. A day without prayer is a day without blessing. Therefore, let us all pray together.
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. शांति शांति शांति.
A perfect relationship is that of siblings. It has the right amount of every emotion. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of celebrating this bond. I invite Krishna Pandey to recite a poem in English on this auspicious festival.
Festivals, oh festivals. What would glow up the faces of people with happiness if not light up these festivals? What would bring hope and vibrancy in our lives without festivals? What would make us cherish spirituality with the understanding for each other's faith if not festivals? What would melt the agony, grudges, evil, and clashes in the community if not festivals? Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate the glorious heritage, culture, and traditions. They give a structure to our social lives and play an important role to connect us with our backgrounds and community. One of the upcoming festivals is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan symbolizes the unmatched bond of love, care, and respect. It conveys an intrinsic message of brotherhood and sisterhood. It strengthens the bond and relationship between the two. Brothers set up to protect their sisters in the time of adversity. Here is a poem by P. Sheshadri that beautifully portrays this festival. A piece of tassel tipped with gold, tied round the hand by loving sisters' hands. A sacred day in Shravan when the lands are bathed with welcomed rain is said to hold a potent charm of good. From the days of the old, this pretty faith has come with happy bands of brothers and sisters pay heed to its commands. One day each year will rashly be bold and flout this festival as a void of worth, an ancient mummery, to which man shows his slavish pity. Let him who knows of being more devoted than fair, of wishes purer than a sister's care, and stronger powers than a woman's love on earth. On this Rakhi, let's bring back the lively spirit of childhood, play pranks with each other, and become the wacky siblings we always were. A very happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you.
थैंक यू कृष्णा। ओणम, यह त्योहार चावल की फसल एवं राजा बाली की याद में मनाया जाता है। श्रावण नक्षत्र में इस त्योहार का आयोजन किया जाता है। दक्षिण भारतीय यह त्योहार बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। नकिया साड़ीकोट हमें ओणम का महत्व बताएगी।
So here is a poetry on the festival of Onam by Anwar Ali that perfectly indicates the joy this festival brings to our lives. ईश्वर के देश की आंखें प्रतीक्षा से भर आती है जब उनके राजा महाबली पाताल से आते हैं। स्वर्ण रूपी दिल आशा और उमंग से भर आता है जब सबके दिलों में उत्साह उजागर होता है। राजा महाबली के शासन में दर्द की कड़वाहट को मिटा दिया था। स्वर्ण रूपी दिल उसका एकमात्र उपकरण था। लोगों ने उनके शासनकाल में समृद्धि का आनंद लिया था। केरल ने राजा की यात्रा के लिए खुद को सुसज्जित किया, नए कपड़ों की मुस्कान में अपनों को साधित किया। उसकी झिलमिलाती रेशमी नदियों पर सांपों की नाव दौड़ जाती है। रंगीन पूकलाम से सबके चेहरे सुशोभित हो उठते हैं। केले के पत्तों पर एक स्वादिष्ट दावत दी जाती है। गाना, आवेग और हंसी की गुंजन सुनाई देती है। ओणम मनाने के लिए चमकते चेहरों के साथ सभी चिंगम महीने का इंतजार करते हैं। This Onam, let's celebrate life and joy of being. A very happy Onam to you and your family. Onam Ashamsakar.
धन्यवाद नकिया। Next, I invite Payal Doshi and Jia Sujitra to perform a dance fusion on the two festivals through a truly elegant dance form, Bharatnatyam.
Ta te te yum ta ta tam kitta tak da te yum dhalan kutak dhalan kutak dhari kitta tak dam re tam kitta tak re da te ta kitta dam da te tam tak da kitta te da te kitta tak dhari kitta tak dam da ta തക്കിട്ടതേ തത്തേ തത്തേ അത തക്കിട്ടതാം തത്ത തക തക്കിട്ടതേ തത്തേ തത്തേ കിടതക തരി കിടതകതാം തത്ത കിടതകതേ അതത്തേ കിടതകതാം തത്ത കിടതകതേ തക തരി കിടതകതാം തത്ത കിടതകതേ അതത്തേ കിടതകതാം തക തരി കിടതകതാം കിടതക തരി കിടതകതാം തത്ത കിടതകതേ തത്തേ കിടതകതാം തത്ത കിടതകതേ അതത്തേ കിടതകതാം തത്ത കിടതകതേ അതത്തേ കിടതകതാ താം ഗദാ താം ഗദാ താം ഗദാ
Takita jum, di, takita jum, takita junadum, takita jum, takita junadum, takita jum, takita takita di, takita junadum, takita nam, takita junadum, takita junadum, takita di, takita dum, takita takita ta.
Today's Point to Socho is based on the significance of festivals in India. They play a vital role in every aspect. It is our duty to know their pure value and respect them. Hiral Jadeja will be elaborating on the importance of festivals and the sense of celebration they bring.
Good morning. Can we imagine a life without festivals? It is indeed impossible. It is hard to overstate their importance in our lives. We are under the spell of festivals. They come with a series of exciting events that never fail to thrill both the children and the grown-ups equally. But it isn't just about the dresses and gifts which bring happiness to our surroundings. It is actually the sense of belonging, the connect that we feel with ourselves, our family and friends during festivals. Life without them would be more like eating, sleeping and growing up without concern for other human beings. It is said how in the Indian culture, there was a time when there used to be a festival every day of the year. 365 festivals in a year. Because a festival is a tool to bring life to a state of enthusiasm. That was the importance of them. They not only bring good times to share with our loved ones, but also make you a better person. But with our busy and hard-pressed schedules, we have forgotten the significance of festivals and often just see them as another public holiday. We need to acknowledge that festivals are so much more than just waking up at 12 noon, having lunch and watching a movie. They play a huge role in bringing the family together, celebrating the very spirit of mankind and spreading happiness, bringing people together, digging new types of music and new food and exchanging new ideas. So one thing that we know for sure here is, don't wait, just celebrate. These are indeed the days we live for, and we need to take more time to enjoy every little moment. While the pandemic has brought nothing but torment to our lives, these festivals might as well work as an escape from reality. But this leaves us with a question. What would our lives really be like if festivals and celebrations didn't exist? With this, we wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan and a very happy Onam. And we hope these festivals bring all the light and joy to your lives. Thank you.
festivals in India truly set us apart. They fill our hearts and souls with love and warmth. With this thought in mind, let us rise for the national anthem. Assembly Saudhan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. We thank all the performers and the music team for making this Tuesday a terrific one. Appreciating your presence, we wish you a great day ahead.